Hello. So, some of you might know about this, the recycle bin in the corner. I personally don't like this being here. Some of you might think the same. I like a clean desktop. So today I'm going to show you how to get rid of it. It's pretty simple. So first, come down to this Start on Windows 10, and then search up Settings. Go to Settings, and on the top right it shows Personalization. Click it, and then on the left there's background colors, lock screen, themes, fonts, start, and taskbar. Go down to themes, and then move over to desktop icon settings. It's one of the three links on the side. And over here you can uncheck things, like you can see how the recycle bin is unchecked. So you can just uncheck that, apply, and OK. And go back to this, and it's gone.